Welcome! If you wonder how to improve your sound quality of AirPods with your iPhone EQ, let me show you. So let's open the settings, and right now we have to go to the music. Where are the music? Here it is. And now there is the EQ boost buster. So there's a lot of options like spoken word, small speakers, late night jazz, dance, acoustic. You can also turn it off, but I will probably go with the small speakers. And yeah, right now when you are going to listen your music on the AirPods, it will be definitely sounds better. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, subscriptions, and if you have any questions, leave of course it in the comments. See you.